Quick update on the 8 megabyte expansion of the SX-1. I now have one of these 8 megabyte sticks in there, and it took me a while to actually get to the right jumper settings, and that is, the first one is on the end here, on, off, on. Because if you put it not in test mode, it will not give you the 8 megabyte but just 4. So that works. In sysinfo you can see 8 megs and 2 megs, and if we go out of here, and that is the most important thing, if you do speed, you actually get 2.28 times the speed of an A1200, which is a lot more than last time, where we got about 1. So this is pretty cool. Just by adding fast RAM we get these very cool results.